Hi, I'm Renee, and I clean and organize my followers' homes for free. So as you can see in this episode, it's going to be a little different. I'm going to be power washing. Just look at these dirty steps. This is going to be so much fun to clean. Such a long, dirty driveway. So I started with the front stairs first. What I'm spraying the wall with is Pool Essentials chlorinating liquid. I will use this on the walls and on the driveway. This gives the brick and cement a nice white look. It will also kill any mold and fungus and algae on the brick and driveway. So now I'm using a foam cannon with Pool Essentials chlorinated liquid inside of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Less Mess.